A well-kept home is often the result of small, everyday habits and thoughtful solutions. Some tools and ideas can make routine tasks easier, faster, and more convenient. Let's take a look at a few of them. Multi-surface steam cleaner, deep cleaning made easier. Some messes happen without warning. The good news is that dealing with them can be surprisingly simple. Different surfaces need different kinds of attention. For carpets, fabric areas, corners, and bathroom surfaces, steam can be used in a more focused way. With the right attachment, it becomes easier to reach small areas, refresh surfaces, and deal with the kind of dirt that usually takes more time by hand. This is what makes a tool like this useful for regular home maintenance. It is not only about cleaning one stain, it is about making everyday care feel simpler, faster, and more manageable. Robot vacuum, hands-free daily cleaning. After a busy evening, the floor is often the first place where everything shows. Small crumbs, dust, and pieces of confetti can quickly make a clean room look messy again. Fortunately, getting the room back in shape can be surprisingly simple. A robot vacuum helps take care of the floor, so the space quickly starts to feel clean again. After the floor is done, the robot returns to its base on its own. From start to finish, everything happens with very little involvement from you. For many homeowners, it's a practical way to keep floors under control without adding another task to the day. The floor stays looked after, even when your attention is elsewhere. That can be especially helpful on the days when there never seems to be enough time for everything. Even small tasks have a way of adding up, which is why many people appreciate having one less thing to think about. Waterfall kitchen sink extra large single slot. A kitchen sink is one of the most frequently used features in any home, which is why both size and functionality matter. This waterfall kitchen sink is designed to provide a larger and more versatile workspace than a traditional sink. The extra-large, single-slot design creates more room for everyday tasks, from rinsing fresh produce to preparing ingredients and washing cookware. The larger workspace helps keep everything within easy reach while you work. The built-in accessories can be positioned where they are needed, helping make better use of the available space. Instead of moving between different work areas, many tasks can be completed directly at the sink. Fresh produce can be rinsed and prepared in the same workspace. Beyond the main sink area, additional controls are integrated directly into the unit itself. Different functions can be selected as needed, helping adapt the workspace to a variety of kitchen tasks. The design also includes a dedicated place for storing kitchen knives. The sink also features a pull-out faucet. Filtered drinking water is available through a separate faucet built into the sink. The main faucet offers different flow options for everyday kitchen use. Switching between them allows the water output to be adjusted for different tasks around the sink. Electric spin scrubber 8-in-1. Deep cleaning doesn't have to mean hours of scrubbing. Tile grout is one of the hardest areas to keep looking clean, and they're only one part of the cleaning routine. The brush comes with 8 interchangeable heads. The adjustable handle makes it easier to clean floors, walls, and other hard-to-reach areas. The rotating brush does most of the scrubbing work for you. This can make routine cleaning feel noticeably less demanding. Everything remains lightweight and easy to maneuver. Solar panel cleaning brush. Keeping solar panels clean is easier with the right equipment. Even a thin layer of dust can gradually reduce the amount of sunlight reaching the cells. Because of that, regular cleaning becomes part of normal solar panel maintenance. To make the job easier, this brush is designed to deliver water directly to the cleaning head. That way, cleaning and rinsing can be done at the same time. Window cleaning robot. Large glass surfaces can make a home look brighter, bigger, and more expensive. But the bigger the windows are, the harder they are to keep clean by hand. This window cleaning robot is designed to move across the glass automatically while cleaning the surface. As it moves, the cleaning pads continuously work across the glass. The goal is to reduce the amount of manual work required for large windows. This can be especially useful in homes with extensive floor-to-ceiling glazing. Once placed on the glass, the robot handles the cleaning process on its own. At any point, the user can reposition the robot or adjust its operation if needed. A safety cable is also included to help prevent accidental falls during operation. This is especially important when cleaning exterior windows on upper floors. Cordless blower for leaves, dust, and debris. This cordless blower is designed to clear leaves, dust, and light debris around the home. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle, while the cordless operation allows you to move freely without dealing with extension cords. Whether you're clearing fallen leaves outside or removing sawdust and dust from a garage workshop, the blower helps get the job done faster. The result is a cleaner space with less effort and more time for the things that matter. The blower is powered by a rechargeable battery that can be installed in seconds. After the battery is installed, the tool is immediately ready to work. A powerful stream of air helps quickly remove leaves, dust, and small debris from paths, surfaces, and work areas. Keeping a home clean and organized doesn't always require more effort. Sometimes the right tools can help make everyday tasks faster, easier, and more efficient. Many of the cleaning tasks that used to take considerable effort can now be handled in a more practical and convenient way. The options featured in this video show just how far modern home care solutions have come. What was once considered professional equipment is now becoming increasingly common in everyday life. Links to everything featured in this video can be found in the description of this video. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future home ideas, interesting innovations, and practical solutions that help make everyday life easier. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.